In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Game's slow download speed. If you've ever experienced those sluggish download times that seem to drag on forever, don't worry, I'm here to help you get back to gaming quickly. By following these simple steps, you can improve your download speeds and ensure a smoother gaming experience. First, let's begin by opening your Steam application. If you're not already signed in, click on the login button. You'll need to enter your account name and password. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Sign In. This will take you to your Steam homepage. Now that you're on your homepage, look for the Steam option located in the top left corner of the app. Click on it and select Settings from the drop down menu. This section is where we can make all the changes needed to improve your download speed. Next, navigate to the Downloads tab within the settings. Here you'll find several options that will help optimize your download settings. Let's start by clearing your download cache. This option can help resolve any stuck or slow downloads by removing temporary files that may be causing issues. Another important tweak is to select a download region that's closer to your physical location. By choosing a nearby server, you can often achieve faster connection speeds as the data has less distance to travel. If you notice a setting that limits your download speed, make sure to turn it off. This ensures that Steam can use the full bandwidth available on your network, giving you the best possible download speed. Additionally, consider turning on the option to allow downloads during gameplay. If you have a powerful enough system, this setting can help you keep your games updated even while you're playing. Once you've adjusted these settings, fully close the Steam app by going to the Steam menu and selecting Exit. For those who want to ensure everything is running smoothly, you can take one extra step by opening your Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on the Performance tab and look for the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Resource Monitor, then navigate to the Network tab. This will show you all the processes connected to the internet. If you see any applications using a significant amount of bandwidth, you can end those processes to free up more network speed for Steam. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your download speeds on Steam. Enjoy your time gaming, and thanks for tuning in today.